Today, I will show you how to fix TikTok messages not showing problem. Let's start. First solution is to clear TikTok's cache files. Accumulated cache files can cause this type of issues. We will try solving the problem by clearing TikTok's cache files. To do this, open Settings. After opening Settings, click Apps and then Manage Apps. After clicking Manage Apps, click the search bar and type TikTok. The next thing we need to do is click Storage and then click Clear Data. After clicking Clear Data, click Clear All Data and press OK to continue. We have cleared TikTok's cache files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Second solution is to log out from other devices. If our TikTok account is logged in on other devices, this problem might occur. To do this, open TikTok. After opening TikTok, click the three lines in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. After clicking Settings and Privacy, click Security and Permissions and then Manage Devices. After doing this, if there are other devices listed under other devices you have logged in, remove these devices. After logging out from other devices, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. Third solution is to uninstall and reinstall TikTok. This classic solution can help solve such problems. To uninstall TikTok, press and hold on it and then click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to continue. We have uninstalled TikTok. To reinstall it, open Play Store. After opening the Play Store, click Search at the bottom and type TikTok in the search bar. After doing this, click Install. We have installed TikTok. Now, you can log into your account and check if your messages are showing or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.